Violins, here is your third video for Ventus. Today we're going to be starting at 37, or the entrance after 37, a couple measures later, and we're going to go all the way up to 66, so kind of the middle chunk here. And you get kind of two contrasting styles in this middle section. First we're going to start off very legato, piano, kind of moody, atmospheric, and then at 59 we go back to those faster eighth notes. So we're starting at 38. If you want to, there's some third position here that you could do for the upper divisi. Otherwise, feel free to play the lower notes, which is just, again, the octave lower. So I'm going to do the third position so you can follow my fingerings. So in third, fourth finger, we're going to have a low 3 coming up in a minute. And again, try to keep this nice and soft and legato. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So just cross over to the A string, back to your 4. And then shift down to first position. Low 2. Rest. And then 4 measures of rest, and then we're coming back in at mezzo piano and doing a nice big 4-measure crescendo up to forte. All right, so here's your next entrance on that G. Ready, and... All right, and again, back up to third position. Do the lower notes if you'd like to, but for third, an octave higher, we've got just a little scale, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here's the fortissimo, half notes. And if we were an orchestra, I'd be slowing that down a little bit more for the ritardando. And now, shift yourself back to first position, and we're at 59 for some eighth notes to wrap up this part. So a little slower, just again, make sure you're catching all these notes. Low 2 on the E to start off with. Here's 59. Ready, and... And that crescendo in that last measure will lead us back to measure 21. So the DS al coda, return to the sign, del segno, and the sign is that little weird shaped thingy at 21. So we return to 21, you do your one melody here again. Do that whole section up to where it says to coda at 37. And then next week we'll do our final lesson covering the coda 67 to the end of the piece. And then you've got another piece learned. So go back now to 38 through that 66, try it a little bit faster. Get it to the point where you can play with my run-through video from the beginning all the way through at that point. And then for sure, go back and play this with a professional recording because it's going to sound so much cooler when you can hear all the other parts of the orchestra playing along with you.